want you to look at the dots here. I'd like you to think about how many dots do you see? How many are all together? Share with your neighbor your answer. How many dots do you see?
21. My estimate is 71. Because I cut it on that, and the top array was 10 times 5.
And share with me all of your answers. Even if your neighbors told you a different answer, I still want to hear it. Otto, what do you have?
I have 79.
Okay.
86.
71. 69.
90. 93. 83.
All right, so I'm noticing a wide range of answers here. So let's get into it. I'd like to hear some strategies from you guys of how you looked at these dots and how did you figure out how many were here all together? Brennan?
I noticed that on the extra part on the right part, that there was 50 because 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, no, there's 5 down and then 10 across.
At this top part? Okay, so you noticed 5 rows. Okay, and how many columns?
10.
10, okay. Okay.
And then at the bottom, I see 6.
6 what? What's our math word that you can use to describe that?
Column.
So you see 6 columns. Okay, so we see right here, we see 6, okay?
And I see 7 on the rows.
7 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and you see 7 there.
And then 6 times 7.
Okay. So you see,
And then I knew that 7 was 3 away from 10. And I did 10 times 6. And I took away 3 groups of 6. And I took away 18.
got it. Okay, so you did 10 times 6, okay? And then you took away 3 times 6? And you said that's the same as 6 times 7? Okay. And then what'd you do from here?
60 minus 18. So 50. And then 42. The answer
Okay.
is 42. On the bottom row.
So this right here is 42, which is the same as 6 times 7, right? So how much is here?
42.
Okay.
And then 10 times 5 equals 50.
And you see that with this array?
42 plus 50 equals 92.
All right. And why are you adding 42 plus 50?
Because that's the entire array.
Okay, so our entire array is 50 plus 42. And what does that equal again?
92.
92. Okay, I want to pause for a second. And I would like you guys to turn to your neighbor and paraphrase Brennan's strategy. What kind of math do you see him doing here? How did he figure this out? Turn to your neighbor and paraphrase what he did. Brennan, do you want to call in a friend to share your paraphrase?
So what you did is you saw at the top part where it's at the right, where it's like apart from the others, you saw that was 50 because there was 5 rows and 10 columns.
Mm-hmm.
And on the bottom you saw that there was 42 because there was seven rows and 6 columns.
Mm-hmm.
And you did 6 times 7 equals 42.
Is he right?
Yeah.
Say nice job. Okay. Who saw it differently than Brennan? Who saw it a different way? The big idea is cut it into smaller regions. We want to make it easier for ourselves. Get it? Got it? All right.